but it's got a new tune. Are you gonna show us what the new tune does? What's up, guys? Straight Up Driven back in Straight Up Driven headquarters. 2023. We got some crazy stuff planned this year, but we're gonna mix it up. I know you guys have seen Frank before. We're gonna be showcasing Straight Up Driven members' cars this year. Frank's gonna be the first to go over his car. You guys are gonna see a lot of Frank this year. We're starting this year off with Frank, the McLaren. Wait, this isn't a McLaren. The Lambo, right here in Straight Up Driven headquarters. And without any further ado, we're turning over to Frank the Man.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna settle it down just a little bit, all right? Because Tony likes to be really hyped up. All right, my name is Frank. Currently, I just switched up the wrap and it looks completely different. Before it was a mantis green, but now I have a Nozzle-Tick midnight purple. I don't know if you guys like it, but I think it looks pretty sick. Yeah, I chose the Huracan because I always loved Lamborghinis, so I guess it was my time to shine and try to beat Tony over here with all his supercars. So yeah, so I definitely decided to get the Huracan, and I've done a lot to it. It has a whole bunch of mods. I have a whole bunch of lighting. I have the new 1016 center exit bumper. Also have the Vorsteiner wing. I also have on the front end, I have a 1016 bumper as well. Voodoo did the center exit, which is all custom, all new. This car has completely got like literally a makeover. It's like facelift, it's botched. Is that what they call it? Botched?
All right, Frank, badass car. I gotta be honest, I'm more excited to have you part of Straight Up Driven than the car, but the car is badass. But it's got a new tune. Are you gonna show us what the new tune does?
Yeah, I mean, I'm hoping I can shoot flames, but I'm not sure. So we have to figure it out.
Frank's gonna shoot flames. That's all we do is shoot flames over here. So
I don't know, but we'll try.